If you are getting married in Ontario, you must fulfill some basic legal requirements. This is in addition to any religious rites you may observe, Jewish, Christian, Muslim. You have to have this core requirements fulfilled for the marriage to be valid and registered with the government and to get the benefits attached. It's very straightforward, very easygoing, and this guide will help you. Regardless of what venue, what type of ceremony you need, you will still need the same, steak and potatoes of the ceremony to make it valid, at least here at the province of Ontario. I have chosen the hypothetical people of Elizabeth Smith and John Jackson. Let's begin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the legal wedding signing for this happy couple. We are going to fill out the marriage license now, fulfilling the requirements under the Marriage Act. We are going to need two witnesses, two people to sign some marriage documents after the bride and groom do their signing. I see the marriage license before me. Looks good. No one filled out the last part. Everything looks fantastic. Great. And I see your identification. You brought either passport, driver's license, and I see that each license matches the person on the marriage license, therefore allowing us to continue. Now I'm going to ask the same questions to both of you. Do you know of any lawful impediment that would deem you ineligible for marriage? Are you in sound mind and conscious? Do you take this person to be your lawfully married wife or husband? Since you have responded yes to the bottom two, and there is no lawful impediment, therefore making you eligible for marriage, under the Constitution of the Marriage Act, under the Marriage Act, I hereby solemnize the service, therefore bring you guys together in marriage under that auspice. Wonderful. Now we have three documents to sign. Okay. The first one is the marriage license. So this one was purchased, it was filled out both here. So we have the names, we have if there's a divorce, if we have situation, the age, where they're born, the identification, where the address is, and so forth. The second part of this should never be touched, obviously. So the part which has any sort of signatures below, that should be done only at the time of marriage. Could I please have the bride come up, giving her signature in all the required places? Thank you. Could I please have the groom come up and sign in all of his designated places? Wonderful. Thank you. And finally, I need the two witnesses to come and sign all the documents. Once again, marriage license, the ceremonial certificate, which you get at the end, which is this can be used as proof of marriage, but you'll wait for the final copy, the permanent one, whether it be the credit card option here or the long form. The long form is just the same as this, but it has all the signatures, including the receiving officer at the registrar in Thunder Bay, who acknowledges that all the requirements are satisfied. Okay, everything's done. The witness is signed. Perfect. Now I'm going to go and do my portion. I'm going to fill out my name, my address, my contact information, and my registration number. I'm going to review it over. It looks fantastic. Everything's filled out. I'm going to put that inside an envelope, and I'm going to put a stamp, or I'm going to put a tracking number, express post. Depends on the situation, how long they have. Maybe there is an express need. If there is an express need, we can work with Service Ontario to pay an additional surcharge and have the marriage license come faster. If you don't care about the speed and you just want the marriage license, they start at $15 and you can apply it once everything is done. You got to wait roughly 30 days after the marriage takes place to apply. Once again, if you want the marriage license for legal purposes, it's always advisable to go for the long form. And the official name of the long form is called the Certified Copy of Marriage Registration. Here's a ceremonial license. You can also receive both of them. This is as well. And you guys are good to go. You can hang it on the wall. Now we are done. I'm going to take this marriage license and bring it to the post office. You can put the ceremonial license on the wall, hang it up. And before I leave, I wish you all happiness, health, blessing on your journey going forward together. Have a great day, and I hope this helps. If you want more of these type of scripts, go to brotherjeremy.com. Have a great day.